Okay guys, welcome back to my channel again, and I will show you how to make a simple exercise, cam exercise in Mastercam. In this video, yeah, and let's enjoy the video. First, I will make a solid body, the simple solid body. Rectangle and just anchor to center option. Add dimension 100 meters and 100 meters. Okay. So you can follow me guys to make a 3D model, this 3D model, Mastercam, and then next to the cam exercise. Okay, okay. Let's go add some fill in the corner of the rectangle. I will add a polygon here. I will choose 6 side and 40 millimeters for radius, and add fillet for each chord 10 millimeters. And I will add a hole, like circle in this point. Yeah, you can, if you make this polygon and fillet and move your cursor to this area, you will find the center point of the fillet and at the circle diameter. I will choose 5 for radius, so 10 millimeters for diameter. Okay. Let's go pattern this circle. Choose rotate, select entities, and I will rotate and copy for 6 number and angle T6 degree. And the distance option I will choose elsewhere. Done it. So the sketch or the 2D wireframe is all ready, and now we go to the level and name the level 1 for 2D and make new level 2, and give a name the level 2 with 3. Okay, and you must make sure the symbol on level 2 before make 3D model from the wireframe. Okay, let's go to solid and extrude. Click the arrow and move to the bottom. I will choose 40 for this 50 millimeters and extrude again but now extrude cut body. Okay. I want the hole is through wall. And now you can see the workpiece for your cam example is done here. And let's go to the cam exercise with select a machine, default, and prepare the setups, bounding box, select the geometry. Okay, nice. And first I will cut this corner with contour. Select this line, and I will choose elliptical tools and diameter, and I will select this. Let's go and checklist this option. In this contour type, I will choose RAM with depth, RAM depth 55, maybe 2, and absolute all option. I will choose this vertex button, and I will okay, the toolpath is in a of workpiece, so I must change the option compensation direction to right. Okay, looks good. Now we cut in a pocket with pocket program. Select the wireframe, select tool, and in this pocket I will choose pocket standard, and stop leaf I choose 0, and same on the floor. Roughing pass I will choose parallel spiral motion, and to motion I choose helix. Depth cut I will at 1 millimeter for one. This step is 0. Total absolute option, and select this. And last, I will make a real program. Tool and create a new tool. $10mm diameter, 100 overall length, and 50 cutting. 800 for single speed and 90 for feed rate. I will choose spec drill method here with 2mm step. Absolute all option, and retract I will choose this vertex. Okay, so -10, and but I will decrease the line from -10 to -8, and then I will choose this vertex and choose this option, tip count. Okay, let's go to the verify. And this is the result of this cam. Okay. But is a little bit problem here in the bottom of our piece. Let's check it out. Problem here. Okay, I forget to choose this option, make pass over file at final depth. Let's try again and verify again. Yeah, this is the final result, and you can follow this video to exercise the simple cam. Maybe just okay. Thank you guys for the watching. See you on the next video.